Welcome to LEGO Robotics with LEGO Mindstorms. This tutorial is to help you get started with some simple programming and become familiar with the LEGO Mindstorms landscape. To get started, we're going to show you some of the basic tools. The common toolbar palette on the left has all your programming commands. Move, record, play, make noise, display, stop actions, loop sequence, and switching between tasks. These are the common programming commands we will use. You can also select the complete palette to access advanced features. The menu in the bottom left allows you to download commands to your robot. To program your Mindstorm robot to perform a certain task or challenge, you need to string together a series of commands from the programming palette and then download to the actual robot. For example, I want to make my robot move. First, I need to select the Move command and drag it to the programming screen. Once I bring any commands to the programming screen, a window will open at the bottom where I can edit my commands. You can select each of the different ports attached to a motor or sensor, shown here as A, B, and C. The direction of the movement, such as forward or reverse. Steering, C being the left motor, B being the right. The speed in which I want my robot to travel. The distance I wish my robot to travel, and stopping. Commands can be removed with a simple click, hold, and drag, or I can select Edit, Undo. The Robot Educator on the right of the screen provides step-by-step instructions on how to build and program your robot to perform specific challenges. In the Common Palette, you have a number of tutorials on how to perform basic movements. For example, if you want your robot to drive in a square, select challenge number 8. You are first prompted to a video demonstrating the action. The building guide will take me through the build sequence necessary to create a robot to perform this challenge. The programming guide will show me step by step which actions I need to use to program my robot to drive in a square. This allows me to match the steps outlined by the tutorial. As stated in the step-by-step guide, first I drop a loop action into the programming space. I then change the number of times an action is repeated by first switching from forever to count, and then to 4 times for the action to occur. Next, I bring in a move action. This will make the robot move forwards. I bring in a second move action to make the robot turn. Then change the duration for which the robot will run. Change from rotation to degrees. When finished, we will download this to our robot. Now my robot will drive in a square. To start a new program, select New from the File tab. In addition to tutorials on how to build and program your robot, there are a number of challenges in the Robot Educator section. Each challenge will teach you the basics of programming with Mindstorms. Once you've mastered these challenges, you can move on to more complex programming in the complete palette, utilizing more advanced features and sensors. One thing to remember with your programming, sometimes it takes trial and error to get things right. Don't be afraid to try different things to see how they work. Experimentation is part of the fun. Thank you for participating in this tutorial video, and happy programming!